Hi friends, family, and others that might be watching me. I just want to welcome you to my channel. My name is Dottie Matheson and my company's name is Artfully Rooted. And I'm going to do a short little DIY today on how to make carrots from spindles from a table. So I got this table a couple of years ago. It's just a small little side table, and it had a bunch, it was kind of tall, and it had these spindles all the way around, and then the top, and then the bottom didn't have any spindles going this way. And so it seemed like somebody had probably broke it in the past, and therefore it was really super wobbly. So we tried to fix it with glue and different ways, and we just felt like a lot of work, probably not going to be sturdy enough. So we decided to take it apart, and I'm like, what can I do with these spindles? And I saw this idea on Pinterest where they took some different types of spindles to make carrots out of them. So I thought this would be a great time to do that because it's spring right now. We've got mid-70s degree here in Sacramento, California area. And the weather's great. Spring is here, whether it really is here or not, it is here. Our weather tells us we are in spring. So I'm going to make some carrots out of these. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm taking these spindles and I'm going to paint them. I'm going to be using DIY paint, and I carry that in my store. I have a brick and mortar store in Folsom, California, in the historic district. So if you're ever in the area, come by and stop by and see us. And if you're local, you can come in and purchase DIY paint. I am going to be sealing it with DIY clear wax as well. So this is what I have. You get some spindles. I've got my French tip by Paint Pixie. They I buy all their paint brushes. They're just the really great kind, and you can pick those up in my store too. Soon I will be adding an affiliate link to my channel, and then you'll be able to go and purchase these items online. But right now you can just get them locally, or you can send me an email at dottie@artfullyrooted.com. And if you want to purchase those, I also will be using our mister. We have some misters in the store as well. Those are available for purchase, and these are really good to use just to spray water to help the paint move more freely, because DIY paint is clay based, so it's really thick and it's pigmented, so we can there's times we can even use it as watercolor. So we're going to be having this handy in case we need it. I may not need it, but in case we do, we're going to do that. And then I picked up some of these frond things. Where did I get these at? Oh, I think I bought them at Walmart. I'm going to be taking them apart, and these are going to be the ends of the carrots. But first, before I do anything, I'm just going to go ahead and paint these Summer Crush. That's the color I'm going to be using in the DIY paint. And here is a close, it's like a burnt orange. So it looks like carrot color. But I'm going to be using that for my color. And then after this dries and everything, I'll be cutting them up smaller pieces. So after it dries, I'll come back again and the next day, and we'll do another video, and I'll be putting this together for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. You can see that DIY paint is clay-based paint. It's all natural. So there's no smells, no fumes. You can paint indoors. I love to paint inside because here in Sacramento, it's hot. In the summertime, it's hot. It's cold in the winter. It rains. I can paint inside. Today is a beautiful day, though. If I had it my way, I'd set it up outside and just paint inside, but it's getting close to the evening now. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these up, one of them. And I'll be doing 2 coats. Or I could probably put it on real thick, and then I would only have to do 1. So you can see with this French tip brush, it's easy to get in between the little humps, because it's not really, these aren't really spindles. If you look at it, it's more, I don't know what you want to call this shape, but kind of goes down in there. So I felt like they'd make some unusual abstract carrot sticks Okay, so it's easier just to paint them where they're long. Instead of cutting them up first and then painting them, because then I'm dealing with a bunch of smaller spindles. It's easier to deal with while they're long to paint them. Okay, so that's, I'm just going to do one on camera so you get the idea. And then when I come back tomorrow to do step 2, after this is finished, what I'll be doing is I'll paint all these spindles, I'll cut them up the right sizes, and then I will show you, we're going to wax them, and then we'll add the greenery to the ends of them, the stalk, the carrot stalk. Okay, so if you have not already subscribed to my channel, if you'd do me a favor and support me and subscribe to my channel by hitting subscribe, and then hit the little bell too, because then you'll get the notifications when I upload a new video. And then if you would like the video, that would help me out with my ratings. So thank you for coming, and I will see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye, guys.